Dear students, today we solve another problem on GRR and NRR, and it is a very special problem, so watch it carefully. Okay, so here what they have given: find GRR and NRR and comment. They have given age group from 15 to 49 years in 7 different age group with the width 5 years, and they have given female population, female births and survival rate, and we need to find GRR and NRR both. So the formula for GRR is equal to I into summation 15 to 49 WSFR, and where formula for NRR is equal to I into summation 15 to 49 years WSFR into S. And let us solve the problem, and where I is equal to width of the class, and here that is 5 years, and WSFR, so WSFR is equal to female births of age X divided by female population of age X into 1000. So we'll calculate one WSFR for age group 15 to 19 years, that is equal to, here the female births for 15 to 19 age group is 480 divided by female population is 16,000 into 1000. So WSFR for 15 to 19 years is, so 480 divided by 16,000 into 1000. So 480 into divided by 16,000 into 1000 is equal to 30. So in the same way we have to calculate remaining WSFRs. So first I will write it here. First WSFR is 30, and to calculate NRR we need to multiply WSFR with survival rate, that is S, and here survival rate is 0.91 for 15 to 19 years. So 30 into 0.91 is equal to 27.3, and let us calculate remaining. So 812 divided by 14,500, that is 57.18 into 0.9 is equal to 51.46. 51.46. Next, 650 divided by 13,000 into 1000 is equal to 50, and into 0.89 is equal to 44.5. And next, 460 divided by 11,500 into 1000 is equal to 40.0 into 0.88 is equal to 35.20. And next calculation, 300 divided by 10,000 into 1000 is equal to 30, and 30 into 0.87 is equal to 26.1. And next, 87 divided by 8,700 into 1000 is equal to 10, and 10 into 0.86 is equal to 8.6. And finally, last age group 45 to 49 is 30 divided by 7,500 into 1000 is equal to 4, and 4 into 0.85 is equal to 3.4. Okay, and let us take the total for both WSFR and WSFR into S. So first 30 plus 57.18 plus 50 plus 40 plus 30 plus 10 plus 4 is equal to 211.18, and 27.3 plus 51.46 plus 44.5 plus 35.2 plus 26.1 plus 8.6 plus 3.4 is equal to 196.56. So these are the total for both WSFR and S into WSFR column. Let us calculate GRR and NRR now. So first GRR. So GRR is equal to, I is 5 here, 5 into summation WSFR is 211.18. That is equal to, so 211.18 into 5 is equal to 1055.9, and GRR per woman is equal to 1.056. That is 1055.9 divided by 1000 is equal to 1.056. And NRR. So NRR is equal to, I is 5 into 196.56. That is equal to 5 into 196. $982.8, and NRR per woman is equal to 0.983 or 0.98. That is 982.8 divided by 1000, 0.98. And students, here this problem, I said in the beginning itself that it is a very important problem. What is the important thing here? So while discussing the definition and theory part, I said GRR and NRR both are, if greater than 1, population will increase, and if GRR and NRR both are less than 1, then population will decrease. But here it is a special case where GRR is more than 1, it indicates population is increasing, and NRR is less than 1, it indicates population is decreasing. So which one we should consider and what we should comment here? So in the same definition again, we discussed at the end that when GRR and NRR both are different, that is GRR is increasing and NRR is decreasing, we have to consider NRR. And when NRR is showing less than 1, that means population is decreasing because it considers the mortality also. So that is, we multiplied here, yes, survival rate. So the comment should be the population is decreasing. So here we write, since NRR is less than 1, the population will decrease. Population will decrease. So based on the NRR and GRR both, since NRR is less than 1, the comment is population will decrease. So such problems where NRR and GRR both calculation comes, this kind of questions may be asked for 10 marks. And in last class we solved TFR. That TFR for two location, that question also may come for 10 marks. And from this chapter another question will come for 10 marks, that is standardized death rate. So in the next class we start solving problems on mortality rate, that is death rates. What is mortality, what are the mortality rates, and how to calculate them, we will discuss them in our next classes.